to another sister, I guarantee that if you give all your troubles, your challenges, your struggles to God, and if you put all your faith and your trust in Him, that when those obstacles come our way, we're going to handle them a little differently. People are going to come up to us and they're going to say, oh, why you handle that situation like that? Why you ain't cuss him out? Because we all, I'm just saying. Why you ain't fuss him out? Why you ain't do this and why you ain't do it? Why you so calm? When they start acting and asking those questions, this is what you need to do. You want to say, I am no longer shackled like a slave to sin, since I opened up my heart and let Jesus come in. You see, God's Son set me free, and I am free indeed. And my way didn't work, so I let God take the lead. And now I am a tree. I am planted by the waters with fruit ever so flowing. And if I continue to live in the Spirit, my light, it will never stop glowing. But understand, it's no easy task living life as a child of God, especially when all those devils out there trying to make my life so hard. But if I keep my mind on God and resist the devil, that joker is going to flee. And when I ask and stand still, my God will fight all my battles for me. And when the storms of life come and things are not quite right, I'm going to turn all that in for God's yoke that's easy and for His burdens that are light. You see, now I can say and know that I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I thank God for knowing me before the foundations of this world was laid. I thank God for paying extra, special attention to me. And I thank God most of all for choosing me to be one of His daughters of royalty.